In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a new website using Google Site. You will also learn how to add pages and subpages and how to insert sections, text and images into it. And let's begin. So once you are logged into your email, you have to click on the Google Apps. And then you click Sites. After that, you click New Google Sites. And then you just click Get Started. And then the next button that you need is this one, Create New Site. Click it. Alright, so this is the editing window of your website. The first thing you need to do is give your website a name. So alright, so that's the name of our new website. And then you have here the default page, which is the home page. Now when you work with Google Site, you will work on with these two pages most of the time. So let's click pages to see how many pages we have right now. So over here we have only the home page, which is the default page. Now let's add another page by clicking this button. We'll name this as ICT. Let's have another one, say maths, and perhaps you have another subject. Let's add another one, say science. Alright, now we have 4 pages. We have the home page, ICT, maths and science, and you will notice these 4 pages are in the same level. You will see it here also in the menu. Now let's go back to the home page and name this as home. So we'll make a new website, a new page under ICT. So to do that, you click the thumbnail of this page and make sure you are working with the ICT page. The new page that we're going to make should be under this. So you click the three buttons there, 3 dots, and add subpage. Then let's name this as computers. Done. So when you click done, you will see that this page is indented. It means it's under ICT. And also over here you will see that when you mouse hover here, you will see the page appears there. Okay, now let's learn how to put a text, paragraphs and image into this new page. So click that new page and then you go to insert, and then over here you can choose any here to put in your new page. So you can use text box or image, but I prefer to use a section first, so I will do this and drag it there. There are many ways to put picture or image into the page. I will show you one way by searching it from the internet. So you click that, the plus sign, and then select image. When you do the select image, it means you want to search from the internet or get the image from your Google Drive. If you will do upload, it means the image file is in your hard drive or in your computer. So let's do select image, and then we'll do search and type here the keyword search, and then you can choose any picture here. Let me pick this one and then select. Alright, so if the picture is too big like this, you can use the corners to make it taller so that the image will fit in the page. Now you can also insert another section with only the text box if you want, or only the image if you want. We'll do the text box. Just click it and you will have a separate section which contains only the text box. So you can write anything here. You can change the font, make it bold, put in the middle, and so on and so forth. Now, whenever you mouse over a content in your page, you will see these three icons here. So first one is if you want to put a picture or color for the background of this particular section, you can do it with, you can do that here. If you want to duplicate this section, you can click that one, or if you want to delete, you click this. Alright, it's now time for us to see how this web page looks like when the visitors view it in their browser. So to do that, you click this button. So that's how your website looks like, particularly this page. You'll have this menu here, and that's it. This is for the mobile, tablets, and a wider screen. Now if you want to go back to the editing mode, you just click the X here. Now when you are ready to make your website public, you don't forget to click publish. The name here will be the part of the URL, so most of the time you'll just leave it as is. Click publish. Once you do that, your website and the pages inside it are now online. That's it. That's how you make a new site using Google Sites.